In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a date on a Confluence page, a really handy trick that can help streamline your project management and documentation processes. Confluence is a great tool for collaboration, and knowing how to efficiently use its features can make all the difference in your workflow. So, without further ado, let's get started. First things first, let's navigate to your Confluence homepage. This is your starting point, and where you can find all the different spaces and pages you're working on. Once you've made your way to the home page, let's shift our focus to choosing the specific space you want to work in. Spaces in Confluence are essentially containers for your projects and teams, making it easier to organize and find the content you need. After selecting the appropriate space, the next step is to navigate to the page where you want to insert the date. This is where your journey becomes a bit more integrated with your actual team's content, as each page can have its own unique focus or set of information. When you locate your desired page, you'll want to click on it to open it up. Next, you're going to look for the option to edit the page. There's generally an edit button somewhere on the page, often displayed prominently so you can easily switch from a viewing to an editing mode. Once you're in the editing interface, you'll notice that there are various editing tools at your disposal. Among these tools is the insert function, which is what you'll be using next. Upon clicking Insert, you'll need to search for and select the option to Insert Elements. This feature allows you to add a variety of dynamic components to your page. Now, while still in the search bar under the Insert Elements option, type in Date. This will enable you to quickly find the date element without sifting through other options. Once you see the date option appear, click to open up a calendar. This is where you can select the exact date you want to insert into your page. Depending on your needs, you can set this date in the past, present, or future to best match your project timeline or individual requirement. After the date is set, it's automatically added to your page content, seamlessly integrating with any text or data surrounding it. And there you have it. You successfully updated your Confluence page with a date, all while making the information clearer and more organized for future reference. As you become more accustomed to using Confluence, these small enhancements can greatly improve both your workflow and team collaboration. Remember, a well-maintained and up-to-date Confluence page not only helps you stay on track, but also enhances overall productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!